Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to give you my honest review of Suno V5 and answering the question, did they finally figure out AI music? Suno has been one of the most popular AI music generators out there, but earlier versions always felt limited. Either the vocals were robotic, the mixing sounded flat, or the overall sound didn't quite feel like a real music. With version 5, things feel different. The audio quality has improved significantly, especially with vocal clarity and genre flexibility. I tested it across pop, hip hop, EDM, and even acoustic tracks, and the results were surprisingly close to studio quality. One of the biggest updates in V5 is better consistency. In older versions, if you generated the same prompt multiple times, the results varied a lot. Now, the engine is more stable and gives you a cleaner output. Another standout is lyric handling. AI vocals in V5 pronounce words with far more accuracy, making it easier to create tracks that don't sound gibberish. That said, it's not perfect. Some tracks still carry that AI feel, especially in complex arrangements. Also, copyright and originality remain huge questions if you plan to release this music commercially. But as a tool for demos, inspiration, or just exploring creativity, V5 finally feels like it has matured. And that's it. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.